We are a refrigerated motor carrier. We started with one truck in 2014. I was the only driver, and here we are today.
Since we've adopted Alvys into our company, it's solved an incredible amount of challenges that we've had so far. Some of those being the payroll issues. We're able to pay by truck, we're able to pay by driver, we're able to pay by owner or owner operator. All of the systems that we have under Alvys integrate with one another so we can see where our trucks are at any given time. One of the biggest things that Alvys has solved for us is the ability to issue EFS codes without somebody actually having to manually do it. With Alvys, we're able to assign permissions to those drivers and they can issue the EFS codes right in their app. It's all tracked and organized nicely, and all of our fuel and tolls get automatically imported into Alvys as well.
Quality of the images that come through on the Alvys app are fantastic, and the drivers really like using it. It's very efficient for them. They don't have to continuously redo their scans. They don't have to get phone calls from dispatch asking, hey, did you guys make it? And also for me, having to report that information back to the customer, I don't have to bother them at 2 o'clock in the morning if they need an update.
The automation of Alvys has freed up a lot of time and allowed us to operate at smaller overhead.
So we were able to cut payroll expenses by about $120,000 a year. So it's been a huge savings for us on that. The ability to lower our overhead without sacrificing the service to our customers has been huge.
I gloat about Alvys to everybody because it solved so many problems for us, and it's improved efficiency and the cost is right. They're constantly building out integrations that will help further enhance the software.
I could not be more pleased with Alvys in general and the way that they've helped my business.